Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to delete an email account in Hostinger. First, log in to your Hostinger email account. Then from this left side menu, click on Emails. Next to your email account, click on this Manage button. Now go to Email Accounts from the left. As you can see, I have used one email account from 100 accounts that I can create. And this is the single email account in this Hostinger account. And now to delete this email account, it's simple. Just click on these three dots next to the email account and select delete from the bottom. You are about to delete email account of Ben at benstutorial.com. You will delete email data permanently. Click on this delete button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder. And also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And as you can see, Hostinger email account deleted. And this is how to delete an email account in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.